Did you know that you can copy text on an image or a video, bypass the copy-paste restrictions on some websites, and watch YouTube videos in a floating window while performing other tasks on your PC? Yes. If you're not using Chrome extensions, then you're missing out on a lot. Join us on this exciting exploration as we reveal our top picks of Chrome extensions that anybody can use to improve their browsing experience. Let's get started. Extension 1. Blackbox Code Chat Autocomplete Extraction. Blackbox is used to copy any text that's on your screen, whether they're on images or in videos. It might sound unusual, but it's possible. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Blackbox, and add it to Chrome. Once it's done installing, sign up with an email, and let's try it out. The YouTube video you're seeing paused is a Django tutorial from FreeCodeCamp. Enable Blackbox and select the area with the text you want to copy. This copies the text in the selected area to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you like, even in a notepad like us or other text editor. With a tool like Blackbox, following tutorials and online courses while making notes can be done seamlessly and effortlessly. Let's now move to Extension 2, Unhook. In this era of the internet, when we're faced with information overload, it is very important to safeguard our attention. Unhook is that extension that helps you focus by decluttering your screen when you watch YouTube videos. Head to the Chrome Web Store and add Unhook to Chrome. We can see how this interface looks with the Unhook extension turned off. Once we turn Unhook on, we can make our preferences as unhooking suggestions and ads take effect immediately with no need for a refresh. What we see now is a clean YouTube interface with no suggestion or ad whatsoever, powered by the Unhook extension. Extension 3. Enable Copy-Paste, ECP. For reasons best known to some website administrators, they disable copying and pasting anything from or to their website. However, the Enable Copy-Paste extension will break this barrier and usher you into a world of boundless copying and pasting. Once you have it installed, you can pin it for easy access. Tap on the extension icon and ensure that it is enabled. If you refresh the page, you'll notice that we can now select the text on it, and thus, making a copy of the content becomes very easy. You'll find this extension handy. Up next, Extension 4, Free Text-to-Speech Online. With this extension installed, you can now hear the text on your browser's screen read out to you like you were listening to an audio. You don't have to watch your screens to read articles and blogs anymore. Just plug on your headset, enable the Free Text-to-Speech Online extension, and enjoy your new reading-listening experience. Head to the Chrome Web Store now and get this extension installed. Extension 5, OneTab. Have issues with managing or organizing your open tabs? Well, that will become history, as with the OneTab extension, you can now have all your tabs rearranged in a list format and placed under only one tab. This gives your desktop a clean look and makes it easy to navigate through everything you're looking at and working on from a single place. It can only get better. Extension 6, Picture-in-Picture Extension by Google. This last extension is useful for everyone good at multitasking. Perform other tasks like taking notes from a video, following a coding tutorial, and lots more with the reference video playing in a window just like this. These extensions and more are shaping the way we use our browsers today. If you've come this far, then you sure are thrilled by the amazing things that can be achieved using browser extensions. However, we only showed you how to use Chrome extensions on a PC. Do you know that you can also use these extensions on a mobile device? If your answer is no, then we recommend you watch this video titled, How to Use Chrome Extensions on Your Android, a step-by-step guide. You'll learn how it is done so that you can start enjoying the amazing possibilities we open to you right on your Android and iOS devices. Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up. We also want to hear your thoughts in the comments section. If you don't want to miss out on important tips and updates like this, endeavor to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you'll be notified once we make a post. Until next time, enjoy your browsing experience.